Hey you guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video, no, it won't be no natural hair, it won't be none of that, cause guess what, y'all? We cooking a ribeye steak. Okay, so starting off cooking this ribeye steak, you want to take your meat out the package, of course, and then rinse it off and then pat it dry. So those are the seasonings that I'm using, and then you just want to make sure you cover the entire steak. Like, don't leave no meat showing. You want to, you need seasoning on every piece of bite you take. So yeah, just use whatever seasoning you want. Just make sure you cover your meat good with the seasoning. Okay, since I didn't marinate overnight, I'm using this Montreal steak marinade. It's like a 30-minute marinade. Okay, so after that, I'm just cutting up my onion so that when it go in the oven, like, I like the onion taste. I don't know what onion do to food, but I can taste the difference when you don't put onion in the food. But onion just give it the extra kick. Also, with my marinade, I did use a little bit of red wine just because I like how the red wine, like, makes it more tender the longer the meat just sits in the red wine. And I like the flavor. Okay, this is the easiest part of the cooking, y'all. You just rinse your potato off, put it in aluminum foil, sprinkle a little salt on there, close it up, and throw it in the oven for like 45, 55 minutes, and you good to go, baby. Okay, when cooking a steak, y'all, you need the butter. Like, I don't use olive oil, none of that. I use butter. Butter make everything taste better. So, when the butter melts in the pan, you want to make sure it bubbles. That's when you know your skillet, pan, whatever, is good and hot. So, the onions you saw me chop up and the onions that you saw sit in the red wine sauce, I'm going to put them in the skillet and let them do what they do, baby. When your pan is getting hot and you hear that sizzling, you hear all that, baby, it's time to put that steak in this skillet. You want to get that good and crushed. You want it to sear 2 to 3 minutes on each side before you place it in that oven. Again, make sure that skillet is good and hot. You don't want the steak just sitting there, baby. Like, you want it to be getting a good crust, a good sear, so your juices in the steak when it's in the oven will stay within your steak. Then you're gonna flip it over. Again, make sure you sear it 2 to 3 minutes on each side before placing it in the oven. Okay, y'all, I'm done talking. Just watch the video.
Mmm. That's good.
Tell me the truth.
Oh, do my inside. I know.
Is it really good?
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. That's good.
On the truth.
I don't do much care for steak, but this is good.
Get it tender? Is it tender?
Tender. Tender is most important. You can eat a steak, but is it tender? Okay?
Glad you like it.
Potato. I ain't put this on Instagram. You can tell I'm hungry.
Don't dig in the potato yet, then.
You right.